friends, this is Chara with Rihanna Star. This is the forecast for December 2020. Before we dive into the video, do us a favor and click the like button to help spread the word about Chara with Rihanna Star. Also make sure to subscribe in case you haven't already done so. By doing so, you won't miss out on our future videos. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall reading. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December, we have the Death card. A period of transformation was quite likely in this period. Maybe you were also called upon to attend to pressing matters. This was a time when you had to accept whatever was coming your way and you had to settle for less than what you had desired. But then I think in the end you were all content and you were all right about it. Besides, work was also done one after the other, so you were all right about the situation you were in. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Seven of Wands. So Librans, you're being called upon to seek divine intervention in case you're caught up with problems or there are situations when you don't know how to act. Communication will also increase suddenly. Also, in case you're dealing with people or clients, you should be very forceful and you should insist on having your money, or you should insist on being paid first before you make progress or before you offer your services. That way you will not feel cheated. Another thing I'm also picking up that I think Librans, you need to be kind towards all creatures, big and small, and you will be doing just that. Influences for the month, we have the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles is a card which talks about planning about the future. This is the time when you will make gains. In case in the past you have made investments, you will find that you will get benefits, or there could be dividend or good amount of money coming in through the stock exchange, or in case you have invested in mutual funds. This is the time to plan about the future and to dig in your heels. I'm also picking up that maybe gadgets could malfunction, so some of you may be also thinking of investing in a gadget. Sometimes money could also create discord in your relationships. Maybe you think that the person whom you are dealing with is negotiating way too much. The first 10 days of December, we have the Four of Swords. Four of Swords, as you see, this person, knives are being sharpened behind his back and he is in a contemplative mode. So you have to think another way, or you have to find another solution to the problems that you're working. Maybe you have to do away with plan A and you have to go with plan B. Whatever it is, this is the time when you should also adjust your schedule, and also it could be helpful if you were polite with others. Maybe your words are being misinterpreted, so you should be very polite or be very careful with your words. This period is also going to be very hectic for you, no doubt. Maybe you will think that you're being overworked, or there's that could have a bearing on your health as well. Maybe you will get calls for an interview also, but maybe you're undecided whether you should go because it doesn't seem to be a very fruitful offer. While dealing with other people also, I think you should follow your instinct because you're going to come away making gains. Basically, I think you'll be able to complete a lot of work. Maybe you will also be very pleased because you don't have to take the help of somebody who's a rival at work. You think that if you had taken assistance, then that person could have had an upper hand over you. Towards 11th to 20th December, we have the Ten of Swords. Again, you should be careful because a period of betrayal is there. You may feel that your plans are coming to naught. Those of you who are unemployed, you may find that your family members will question you about your vision for the future. They think that you aren't practical when it comes to decision making, or that you have acted very harsh, very in a way that you have not been practical about your decisions. Another thing I'm also picking up that there could be movement or hectic activity around you, but then sometimes you may think it was all futile. I'm also picking up that you could be feeling pressured because money is hard to come by, or your money is unavailable to you. So maybe you will think of taking a loan from somebody, but somebody who's been there for you will also be the one whom you count upon, and this person will not let you down. There could also be a threat to the way you carry on with your work. Maybe somebody thinks that you have not being very sincere with respect to the work idea, so that person could threaten to sabotage your work. So you should have a backup of your plans and ideas in this month. so that those situations may not arise. Even if it's an idle threat, you should take it very seriously. Other than that, I think in case you are having an appraisal or in case you are having a meeting, you may find that in this month there could be those times when your boss could be very appreciative of you. He could praise you to the skies. Maybe he thinks that you're someone who's very approachable and that you are very innovative as well. Towards the final days, that is towards 21st to 31st December for Librans, we have the King of Wands. So again, in this period, you will feel a bit in control. You may feel that your creative ideas are being appreciated or your creativity will also be in full swing. You'll have to adjust your plans according to what the superior says in this month. But you will make good progress. Communication will also be increasing in this period. I think most people will notice that you have the leadership skills to carry forth your plans. Even when dealing with clients, you'll make gains. With respect to your love life, we have the card lessons. So lessons are underway in your life with respect to matters of the heart, and these lessons can turn out to be blessings in disguise. For many of you Librans, I think there could be unwanted attention as well, maybe communication, or somebody from overseas or from a far off place may show an interest in you, but then maybe you are quite put out and put off, even that could be the word. Maybe you think that the person is undesirable and you want to keep away from him. On the social media also there could be attention coming your way. But for some Librans, I'm picking up that maybe you should not string anyone along, because in this month you'll find that the opposite sex will be helpful or assisting you, and this is all very good to be flirtatious, but you should know where to draw the line. For Librans, for some of you, there's also the possibility of true love. Maybe an admirer is madly in love with you, but the choice is ultimately yours. Those who are crushing on someone, I think you shouldn't run after your love interest. Maybe you should not come across as being very persuasive or clingy. On the other hand, romantic Librans, I think you have to comfort yourself as there will be brief conversation. Maybe your person is away on a business trip, or there's a physical distance on account of you or the other person being excessively bogged down on account of work. So that distance has to be there, which you have to learn to deal with. Whatever it is, whenever you are interacting, there will be rich exchange with your beloved. You will enjoy the closeness, no doubt, but then at times you feel that he retreats into a shell. Those who are married, I think you could be quite irked as you aren't, or your spouse could be quite put out because you're not attentive to his or her needs, and this could lead to an argument. In this month also, you'll be very happy, or your spouse could make some financial gains. The two of you would also plan about the future. Those of you who are in an unhappy relationship, I think you shouldn't put up with domestic violence. Maybe your spouse is also someone who's quite suspicious. Even you could have something to say about your in-laws because they distrust you a lot. Maybe they are never happy. From the Angel Therapy deck, we have the card Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael is supporting your healing work. It's interesting because earlier in this reading, I asked you to call upon the angels for divine intervention, and Archangel Raphael is the one who's the healer. He is supporting your healing work in case you are involved in energy healing work, or in case you are in the medical profession. You are someone who has that empathetic ear, so you are going to be someone who's also going to act like a confidant this month. Another card we have is Talk to Your Angels. Both the cards seem to convey the same message. Maybe you need to speak to them in case you are feeling pressured, or in case you feel there's no end in sight. Largely, your angels are always supporting and they're always around you, and they only need you to ask for assistance and then they will step in. So Librans, you need to do just that. I hope Librans, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. I would also like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year ahead. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.